How's it going? I hope you're all doing great. Welcome to our video for the day, and this video is about pronunciation. Today is the pronunciation day, and we are going to learn about the short U. And the short U sounds like this. Got it? Okay. And I have a chant for you, or a little song, and I'm going to play the song for you. Inside the song, the lyrics, there are a lot of words with the short U sound, the sound. So I want you to try to listen for the words that have the sound okay? Are you ready? Here's the chant.
Bugs and ducks.
It's so much fun to go to the park and run in the sun. But I just can't stand the bugs and the ducks that make me jump. I feel so scared that I want to run and get back home.
All right, students, did you like that chant? Let me know in class. Now, let's practice some words with the short U sound. I'm gonna say a word and I want you to repeat the word. Are you ready? Let's go. Fun. Run. Sun. Bugs. Duck. Jump. Run. Hug. Hut. All right? And now I have 3 sentences for you that I also want you to practice. So I'm gonna say the sentence and I want you to repeat the sentence. Are you ready? Then let's go. Give me a hug. Give me a hug. He lives in a hut. He lives in a hut. And the last sentence is, the duck is in the pond. The duck is in the pond. All right, how did you do? Was that easy? Was it hard? Let me know in class. And that's it for today, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. See you in class. Bye.